Hello friends, welcome to Cloud Institution. We are continuing with Excel. As you can see here, we have some more data and we have items like here we have item 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 items. And then there are sales of various quarters, quarter 1 sales, quarter 2 sales, quarter 3 sales and quarter 4 sales. Now, whenever we have to do something like, let's say, uh, total sales for item A in the, let's say, Q3 and Q4. Okay. Now here we are not actually looking at the total of all the quarters. We are only looking at the total for Q3 and Q4. So here actually you can just write is equal to and click on Q3 plus Q4. You can do like this. So you get 2650. Now you know that any change in the figures here, like for example, if I change here, obviously there will be a change here as well. Okay. Okay. Now, if I want something more, like let's say total sales for item B and D in the Q3. Okay. Now this is little different. You see, here we are only looking at item B and D in Q3. That means item B here, let me just highlight it for you, and item D, okay, and only for Q3. That means here, only for this. I want this output. So here what you can do is, you can write is equal to, and you can actually do like this, like click on the first value plus you can click on the second value like this. You will get 3000. Now just one more way to do this is you can write is equal to and you can actually write sum tab and then select the first value comma select the second value. This also actually gives you the value of 3000. So the only difference here is here we are using formula, that is using is equal to and plus sign, whereas here we are using the sum, which is the formula. Sorry, it is the function. Okay. All right. Also, in the last video, we were also supposed to do the simple calculation of area of a rectangle. Let us do that quickly here. As you know, the area of a rectangle is more about length into breadth. Okay, so simple, actually that was very easy one. I just completing here. So it's length into breadth and this is the area. So if the length is 50 and breadth is 40, you know length into breadth is equal to area. So length into breadth is equal to area. Now if you have more rectangles, let's say 40, 50, 60, 30, and if you have breadth also, let's say 40, 20, 50, 10. What you can do is, see, we are repeating things, right? Fill handle, again you can use fill handle and you can drag the data, right? Again, you can actually use the borders, right? And you can use the other formatting options. All right. So please continue working with these examples and you will become better and better after every video. I'll see you in the next video with next set of operations. Thank you.